Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your watch model and watchOS version so settings match. This prevents surprises. Next, place the watch on a flat surface and plug in the charger to keep battery above 20%. If you plan to keep the same iPhone pairing, you do not need to unpair. Once done, open the watch app on your iPhone and prepare to change wrist orientation. Make sure to remove gloves or wristbands that block sensors, because accurate fit matters. You now change wrist orientation inside the watch app. This rotates the screen and reassigns crown controls so gestures are natural. Once done, toggle the crown position to match which side faces your thumb. That changes swipe directions and button reach. After selecting, make micro adjustments to the band for secure fit, then test taps, swipes, and the side button to ensure actions register. If a complication or app appears misaligned, force quit and reopen it to refresh orientation settings. Finish by calibrating motion if you use workouts, because recalibration lets the watch measure distance and steps accurately after the change. Walk 20 to 30 minutes with your iPhone nearby. Next, verify heart rate and activity readings to confirm sensors contact the skin properly. Adjust band tension if needed. If gestures, crown, or sensors act oddly, restart both devices and recheck orientation. If problems persist, unpair and repair as a last resort to reset settings and restore consistent behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.